I came into the fab school not knowing anything about fabrication, not knowing how to weld, and it's just been an awesome experience just being able to have these instructors that just come by you and walk you through everything that you do. Yeah, it's just an awesome educational experience.
It's been a blast. It was really hectic at first, obviously, learning, trying to get welding down as well as just getting a mind for working with material and doing it the right way. But overall, it's been phenomenal. Yeah.
Well, I'm a Marine Corps veteran, so coming out of the Marine Corps, I worked on helicopters, so mechanics and fabrication has always been a big interest of mine. And when I found the fab school, I jumped right on it, took a tour. Right after the tour, signed up. Been an effing blast. Really enjoyed it here. Never picked up a TIG torch or a MIG torch before coming to the fab school. Now I think I'm pretty decent at it, but other than that, metal shaping was a big interest of mine. Bead rolling project was one of my favorites for sure, and the body panel was awesome. And then just working with all the different types of metal, aluminum, stainless, and mild steel. And just the pure creativity that you can have with metal, which is so awesome to me. Being able to make something and out of a sheet or a tube is just so cool.
I love cars and I want to build my own. I don't want to have to take my car to the shop. I want to be able to do all my own stuff. Online, yes, I met my best friend here now, so yeah, I'm stoked on that. I don't know, I just like to send it. I don't know, cars and bikes, everything, any type of craziness, I'm all about it. Anything fast. Yeah.
It's been cool. Definitely a lot more hands-on stuff than I expected. We do a lot of cool projects.
Yeah, I spent a lot of time living on boats where metal fabrication's big, and it just seemed like a natural way to go.
I originally came here to learn a lot of hands-on skills, stuff I was already interested in doing, and I just expanded on that. Got to do a lot more than I thought that I would, which is pretty great. I was pretty excited to do all of this.
When I was about 14 or 15 years old, I was introduced to drag racing, and I was about 16 years old when I decided I wanted to jump in. I wanted to see how they made stuff and why I was doing this and why I was going this fast or this slow, and it was just interesting. I wanted to know how they bent the chassis. Just wanted to learn it.
It's exactly what I expected and more. It's really cool because I didn't really know what to do much. Now I know a lot more than I used to, and it's definitely recommended.
Overall, it's been really, really good. It's tons of experience, all hands-on, more knowledge than you can take in. Any questions you have get answered almost immediately. It's an unbeatable education.
I didn't realize how much of this machining stuff was actually part of the curriculum, and just other stuff that wasn't actually just necessarily welding. And so that's what really attracted me to this school, because I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do when I first started here, but I thought that just the fact that there was just exposure to such a wide range of different aspects of metal fabrication as a whole, so it kind of helped me figure out exactly what I wanted to do, which is where I'm at now. So I've been happy about my time here. I've enjoyed it a lot.
It kind of runs in the family, working with our hands. My grandfather was a master carpenter, and I kind of wanted to follow the family tradition of being a tradesman.
Well, I used to forecast weather, and I got tired of doing that, and I wanted to work with my hands.
My passion lies in motorsports, really any type, off-road, track, MotoGP, anything with an engine and wheels that goes fast. I want to be around it, and obviously being a driver and a lot of the other things that get you into that are a little bit harder to achieve, and you have to start at a lot younger age. And I was already in my mid-20s, so being a fabricator and somebody that can work on vehicles and fix them and do it at a high quality is what I wanted to do. So
it was a good experience. I had a lot of fun. I learned a lot. They throw a lot of information at you in a short period of time, but it was really cool. I enjoyed it.
Got to learn to be able to have fun, but then get down and do business when you need to do business, and everybody's nice here. Everybody's cool.
Okay, so I'm working at Trent Fab, and I'm going to be building Ultra 4 cars, and they basically do everything from start to finish. They do as much as they can in-house, so a lot of the things I learned here will help me work there, be successful there, I guess.
I took a lot of the welding a little further and got more certs through Integrity Welding, which got me self-contracted out to salt mines and other local businesses out of the high desert, so I don't need to work for anybody anymore.
Well, like I said, my grandfather was a woodworker, so I'm kind of hoping that I can use a lot of the skills that he taught me and hopefully fabricating cool things. I don't really know what it'll be yet, but who knows, I'll see where it takes me.
I don't know yet, but I really want to get into racing, specifically rally or other off-road, but at least initially, maybe machining. I'd like to expand that, so maybe get some hands-on with that.
I actually got a job at Lone Wolf Chopping Rod in El Cajon. We do metal shaping and chopping hot rods and building choppers. So that's been pretty fun. I've only worked there 2 days, so hope to gain a lot of experience there. And like I said, metal shaping is a big interest of mine, so I'm going to be doing a lot of that there too, and super excited.
Something that I can use creatively. Back home, I'm looking at a job doing big fancy fences with a bunch of designs.
So eventually I want to become an elevator mechanic in the union. So all the fabrication and welding skills that I learned here will translate into that, just building elevators. Yeah, I think it'll be really cool.
I am hoping to eventually get onto a race team and just learn all the ins and outs of metal fabrication and just be the best fabricator I can.
Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. You guys have taught me everything that I know about fabrication and welding. Keep doing what you're doing. You guys are awesome.
And they've helped me a lot. Larry knows a lot of the shortcut ways to do stuff, and Nick tries to teach the most the best way to do stuff.
Nick, he's not a man of many words, but he does have a lot of knowledge that he can pass on, and he just tells it. Whenever I'd ask him about jobs and like what would be good, he told me if you want it, chase it. That's what it's all about. Go, be there, make yourself known. And you just got to go after it if you want it.
Very knowledgeable. I mean, Larry has more experience than most people, I think anyone here, and I mean, anything he can contribute to my knowledge has been very valuable, and Nick has been very instrumental in teaching me a lot of the hands-on skills. He's very good at explaining them and showing them to all the other students.
My instructors, they're something different. They're fun to work with. You learn a lot from your instructors. You pick their brains. They will teach you a lot.
They're both of them have a background in, racing and stuff. They've both spent time on actual trophy truck teams and stuff, doing Baja and Mint and stuff like that, and so they know their stuff, and they're super helpful, super friendly. They definitely go out of their way to make sure that we're doing everything the right way, no loopholes, no kind of workarounds. We're doing everything to industry standards and how stuff ought to be done, which I've really appreciated, because in a lot of trades like this, you don't necessarily get that super legit kind of instruction and training, but just based on the kind of backgrounds that our instructors have come from, I've felt very confident in what they've been teaching us.
Nick is rad. Dope dude, sick beard, great fabricator, super knowledgeable, and he's a really cool dude. And Larry's been rad too. He's an old Southern guy. Been around forever, fabricating and whatnot, but he's also a very knowledgeable dude. Had a lot of fun with them, for sure.
Well, our instructors are great. I love the hands-on experience that they give us, and they're not just somebody to talk and explain how to do it. They want to show you, and I really appreciate that.
Thank you. Mainly, Nick's been amazing. He's got almost too much knowledge in his brain to be able to to pull it all out at once, so it takes some time. But I mean, it's every instructor at the school has been amazing. They make the school, really. I mean, that's where all the knowledge comes from, and there's never a single question that I've asked somebody that, you know, didn't get an answer within an hour or so if they didn't have it on the spot. The knowledge that's here is I don't know, I don't think you would get it anywhere else. I don't think another program has the wealth of instructor knowledge that this school does.
Like when we first got here, I didn't really know like what to expect, like too much instructor-wise, and like as we like slowly gotten to like learn and get to know each other, like I definitely would consider them friends and would easily go to them if I ever had any problems.
Okay, so we had Nick and Larry, and Nick is like the dopest thing ever. Love that guy. Definitely Fab Jesus. Dope ass beard. And then Larry came in a little bit later in our course, but Larry's the shit too.
The instructors was definitely nice. It's nice being able to go to different classrooms after hours, and even though it's for makeup time, learn a little bit from each instructor instead of just all from one.
Thank you very much for you know, being there when I needed them, teaching me everything they possibly can, even for the difficult questions, or even having the patience for me to be able to comfortably ask questions and learn exactly what to do in this situation.
The instructors are great, incredibly knowledgeable, incredibly skilled, and they've been around for years. They've been around in the industry for years. They're incredible.